Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great day. We are looking at the last color, okay? And just a minute. All right. We're looking at the last of the Days of Disco, and this is Prismatic Light. Okay, so I've done this like a couple of times and I have one eye already done and I'm not going to redo it. So I'm just going to continue with my other eye and do that. Okay, so I did. It was kind of not patchy. I tried to spread it around a little bit more with my finger. The first time. Oops, I have a mirror here. So I'm just going to go to the other side, and I'm not going to line. I'm not going to go underneath. My liner is Rimmel Ocean Eyes. So I'm just going to apply on the other eye. And I will do a quick swatch because look at the pretty colors in this. Oh my goodness. All right, so the one thing, even though I like this color, I really don't like the way it applies. The others are a lot more. I don't want to use the word liquidy, but they just they apply better, in my opinion. This is a little better. All right, so what I wanted to do was I was going to use the brush. The brush didn't work very well with this. Not for me, it didn't. It made for you. But it just didn't work very well. So then I thought if I used my finger to spread it around more like a shadow, because I didn't want it to come out looking like a great big glob of color across my eye. What I wanted was, I wanted the purple and the blue to come out heavier so that you could see the color, because the color really is, it's really great. Oh, and it's really, really, really sparkly. There's sparkle all down my face here. I don't know if you can see that, but so what I'm going to do is, since I have the color on, I'm going to just go ahead and I've got my Rimmel liner on, but I'm going to reapply. I'll do mascara really quickly, and I'll swatch it for you. So you can, on my finger, I'll swatch it for you so you can see really up close. And really hoping it brings out the color. All right, I'm going to mascara. All right, and we'll do a lip. Mascara is Great Lash. All right, we'll do a quick mascara. Other side. Oh, I can clean that off. All right, there we go. And lip. We're going to wear Sally's lip oil. I'm going to do a really quick swatch. And then I'll do a better swatch and post it so you can see it really well. All right. And the color is right there. Here we go. So this is the color. So I really did think, okay, so this is just a little bit of it, but I really did think that the prior colors that when we started, not the gold, but the other white, white and pink, and then it looked like a white lavender. Now I'm going to show you this, and this is what I was doing my best to achieve. I'll show you how this looks. It is really, really pretty. See that? There's a lot of pink, not pink, purple and blue in this, and it just really is something. All the colors that you see that I showed you when I moved the bottle are this. I mean, it's just, so what I want to do, and I swatched them before the Days of Disco. This same color is in the first group of colors that we did. There were three. I swatched those on my channel, but what I didn't like about it was the way they swatched out, not the way. I'm not putting the blame on them, but on me, the way I swatched them out. So I want to re-swatch them. So this is the color, but in the first set of colors I did of the three, I don't like the the way they looked. So I'm going to re-swatch, and it's going to look like this, but closer up so you can see it. So this is a really beautiful purpley blue, and there may even be shades of green because it's really prismatic, as you can see. So I think that is all, but also be aware that they're really glittery and it falls down your face. I've got prismatic glitter all down that I'm wiping off here. All right, so I think that's all for this video. I think now we are on a whole new all new stuff. So we will be doing something completely different tomorrow. So be ready for that. So I think that's about it. I'm not telling you what's coming, you'll find out. And I think that's about all. So everyone, I love you all. Have a great day. And I will see you in my next video. And also, all incoming subscribers, welcome to our crew. Love you crew. All right, I'll see you guys later. I hope you're having a great summer too. So we will discuss more about this color. I'm going to post photos, better photos than what I posted, so you'll see them. All right, everyone, I love you all, and I will see you all in my next video.